Hi folks, thanks for joining me today. My name is Chuck Tuck and I'm with AVer. Today we're going to take a look at how to mount your AmpliWave classroom audio system speakers to your wall. Now there will be some tools that you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need to have a drill. Next is you're going to want to make sure that you have a tape measure. Don't forget the screwdriver. And then you have your included bracket, which you can either mount horizontally or vertically. In my case, I will be mounting mine horizontal. Now, the AmpliWave audio system does not include any of the wall fasteners or the screws to mount the brackets, so you'll need to go out there and get your own. Now, I do have a couple of suggestions. First, you have a self-tapping type right here. And then next, you have this type. Now this is actually my preference. It seems like it's a little bit cleaner, so I like using this one. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Now you know the rule, measure twice, cut once, but in this case, drill once. So what you want to do is make sure that you have the speakers at least 8 feet apart and at a minimum 6 feet height. So that way it's going to clear your head, unless you're 6'4" or more. But in any case, you want to have it at least 6 feet high and, like I said, at the minimum 8 feet apart. And then go ahead and mark and drill where you need to. If you don't want to drill into the walls, and if you would rather use the tripod, you can use what is called a quick release plate for a tripod and a 1/4-20 mount screw. On the bottom of all of the AmpliWave speakers is this. This is called a 1/4-20. So a 1/4-20 thread goes in here. It's a standard tripod mount. So that way you can actually be mobile with the speakers. You can place them anywhere in the classroom you want, or you could go to a different classroom and place it on the tripod at any position and any time that you want. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that we have measured twice and drilled once, we have our hole and we have placed our fastener inside. Now all we need to do is make sure that we line up our brackets and then screw the bracket right into the wall, and then you're ready to go. As I mentioned, you'll want to make sure that your speaker is at least 6 feet or over your head, and then in this case, since I have it mounted horizontally, I can adjust it to point up or point down. Remember, if you have it mounted vertically, you want to make sure that the speakers are not facing towards each other, but slightly out. And that's it. So hopefully this helps you out as far as the DIY, do-it-yourself mounting of the AmpliWave classroom audio system speakers. Thanks for watching.